So is this the perfect GoPro accessory of all GoPro accessories? This one is really cool, and since it's 32nd Thursday, it'll be a snap. That was bad. That was terrible. Sorry. All right, hold on. So I had some people reaching out to me in the comments saying, you should really check out Snap Mount. So I looked it up, and I was like, what? So I wrote to them and said, hey, can you please send me this? I would love to review it. And they sent it all the way from Ashburn, Virginia.
Ashburn. This is Stashburn.
Okay, so before we start the clock, I just want to say, if you're new here, please hit that button right there. It helps this channel grow. Thank you so much. And also, if you're this far into the video, you can click this button right there. That would mean the world to me. Thank you. The links to everything are always down in the description, plus a surprise link. Okay, 30 seconds starts now. So check out this system. It's a magnetic quick changing system, and the quickest I have seen. You take this plate and you put it on your GoPro, and you have a mounting system you can put with a lanyard, and two others that can go on, well, any GoPro mount. So right now I have it on the GoPro, and check it out. It doesn't actually mess with the battery door. It'll also work with a media mod, maybe just off slightly, and it will also work with some Ulanzi cases as well, just in case you need it with a microphone. So I actually have the lanyard right here, and then I can easily switch it off to this selfie stick. And then I can easily switch it to my helmet cam. Wow, that's quick. So you know you're out on the slopes and you're like, these are great shots, but I want to switch it over to my selfie stick. You just take it right off and pop it right on. Boom, done. So you can actually put this on anything metal as well, and they include this little rubber pad. So if you want to put it on your car without damaging it, you can. And you can take the lanyard side and put it on one side of a window, and the snap mount will actually hold with the window in between. Okay, so that 30 seconds is over, but I do have a couple of questions and trials to really test this out. So if you want to hang around, well, just keep watching. I want to test the magnet on the car, because this has been a fear, really being able to trust it. I'll put one of these little ropes on here just in case. It works great. I mean, I was going up pretty high speeds, it didn't change at all, and I was never one to really trust those suction cup things either, so it's cool that this works. And really and truthfully, you can get pretty creative with this and other different mounts to kind of change the direction of how you want it to look. Now the other question I have is sometimes magnets and SD cards don't mix. So I have an older one here. I'm gonna pop it in the computer. And you can see that it works just fine. And I'm going to put this over here by the card. This kind of hurts to do, but. Okay, popping it back in. It's good, okay. Whew. So there's nothing to worry about. It didn't really affect it, but you know, I probably wouldn't store my SD cards on top of magnets for a very long period of time. I don't know, just play it safe. So in summary, this is a really simple piece of gear that works so well. And if you need more convincing, just know that this system right here and the lanyard comes in at $39. But if you want the full system that includes the lanyard, the mount, and two of the brackets, that's $70. So the price is just right, especially, man, look at that. That thing's not coming off. And if you're like a skier, snowboarder, hiker, I mean, listen, there's a huge list of extreme sports, but if you're one of those people that don't want to buy a bunch of extra GoPros to get shots, get something like this and you can easily and securely just switch and snap and get all the shots you need with just one GoPro. Seriously, awesome work, Snap Mount. And a special thank you to Julie from Snap Mount. Thanks for the note. Thanks again, everyone, for watching. And I'm doing giveaways on my first of the month live stream, so make sure you ding the bell so you don't miss that. Also, check out my podcast called Tech is Hard. It's a fun weekly show, you know, perfect for your commute to work or just in the background while you're editing your videos. Also, I have a music channel up there you should check out. And check out this video. This is the last time I was in Ashburn, Virginia. It's kind of a weird video, but it's pretty fun. All right, cool. Sweet.